Let's learn how to solve the Leetcode challenge, reverse words in a string number 3. This is Leetcode 557. The instructions are very simple. We have a string and we have to reverse the order of characters in each word within the sentence while preserving the white space and initial word order. So in this case, what they are asking us to do is like this example. If we have let's take Leetcode contest, we need to keep let's take Leetcode contest, the order of the words, but we need to reverse the words themselves, meaning that the letters inside of the words are reversed, but the order of the words are the same as in the original sentence. So this is not tricky. What you see, this single line of code is the full solution. S is the parameter, which is the sentence that we get. First, we can split it. So I'm splitting it by white space. So I can use the split method to split them. Now I have an array of words and I can access each of these words inside of my array, or in Python, you can call them a list. And I can reverse the letters inside of every word using this notation, column, column, -1. This is how you can reverse items in a list. In this case, because a string word is actually a list of characters, I can treat it as a standard list in Python, and I can simply reverse the order of the letters using this. Now that I have my words in the same order as the original, but with their letters reversed, I need to make sure that I put them back in string format, because currently this list comprehension is going to give me a list. I want a string. So in order to join the words back together while preserving white space, I can join all the items together, but I join them with a white space like this. So I have white space dot join and then the logic here. And I simply return it, and that's the full solution. So let's try to run this. We've passed the 2 test cases. Mr. Ding becomes RMGNID. Notice that it's still case sensitive, so uppercase, lowercase, everything is still the same. Now we can submit it. And we have passed all the test cases, 88% faster than other Python solutions. So that's the solution for reverse words in a string number 3 on Leetcode 557. Please stay tuned for more solutions and subscribe if you like my explanations.